Hi, everybody. Cody Wilbert, Annuity Solutions Manager. One of the questions I get asked a lot are, how do I get annuity leads? How do I make more sales for my company? How can I generate revenue that I'm losing from maybe another line or another book of business? I'm here to tell you that the Annuity Pro Academy is the next step for you. Have you ever had a knack at public speaking? Ever wanted to make more revenue? Ever wanted to guarantee 30 to 50 people in every seminar that you've ever hosted? How about earn $30 to $100,000 just in a few months of work? With the Annuity Pro Academy, this is a possibility. And what I want to do today is just highlight a little bit about the Annuity Pro Academy, highlight what resources are available to you, and have you decide if it's something that is a good fit for you and your business. So let's start with the Annuity Pro Academy and the website. With the Annuity Pro Academy, what we have done is recorded videos for you to help you step by step in the seminar selling process. What you will find is anything from setting up your seminar through client follow-up appointments. Each one of these steps is broke down with videos and frequently asked questions that George Sheets was receiving. George has been doing this for over 20 years, and in working with URL has paired with us to help create this website to take his seminar selling platform and make it a turnkey system for you to go out and use instantly. So let's start with just step one, setting up your seminar. What will you find in going through the website, and what will you have as resources to you? So you can see there are different videos, all shot in kind of an interview-like setup. There's also a workshop kit and some cost breakdowns. If you are to go to step two, it is about marketing your seminar. Inside of this, you will see the postcards that are used whenever we are doing planning, as well as the marketing companies that have been vetted by George himself. So think about this. This is a gentleman who's been doing this for over 20 years. Think how many marketing companies that you would have to go through to figure out who is actually putting butts in seats at your seminar. Who is doing a good job following up, and who is doing a good job sending out marketing. And believe it or not, mail marketing is still extremely popular with our baby boomers these days. So we have multiple areas of who you can contact for marketing, as well as some customizable books and some other frequently asked questions. Step three is really my favorite one. It's hosting your seminar. And what you will find in here is URL went out and recorded George selling his estate planning presentation live. It's microphoned up, it's in front of a live crowd. You can see exactly what he is doing. We also took it a step further and had a Social Security presentation. This presentation is going to be done via webinar if that is something that you are interested in. There's an example of that there. We have more frequently asked question videos, and up above that, you will see the presentations that are currently being used by George himself that are turnkey for you to be able to go out, use yourself when presenting. So that is an estate planning or a Social Security presentation. We have financial audit forms to go out and use in your client presentations and for handouts, as well as 2 books that are on here that you can work with our commercial printing to have your name added to them, edit them, and make these books part of something you give out and have for your clients. Very nice materials that are out there for that. And then let's take it a little bit further. You've now hosted your seminar, but really we're talking about setting up client appointments. That's going to be in step 4. You will see a couple different videos here as far as confirmation calls, checking in, and why appointments must be taken at the workshop. Very good videos here. If we take it a step further, we have recorded George selling with clients and giving you example client appointments, as well as more frequently asked questions, forms, fee lists, and letters to return home for clients to have and for you to hand out at your presentation. We come to a kind of a wrap up of the steps in step 6 with client follow-up. What you will find in the client follow-up is just a few more videos, some of the transfer portions of the process, and really what we want you to know is you have training, additional resources, and frequently asked questions, all as additional tabs for you to go into that are broken down throughout these 6 steps up here above. So really what we want this to be is a turnkey system for you to go out, be able to use, also be able to go back and show your clients that you have everything in line and that you have everything ready to be an estate planner for them. Now, keep in mind, you do not have to be an annuity expert in order to get into this. We have many folks that have never sold an annuity before who have stepped into the program and instantly stepped into $40,000, $50,000 commission in their first year. I'm also happy to tell you that we have an agent who is going to be our top indexed annuity agent who is selling through the program as well. Please feel free to sign up. If you want any more information on the program, I'd be more than happy to discuss it with you. Thank you so much for your time. I really look forward to seeing you earn your profit potential and doing it through the AnnuityPro Academy.